Oh, hi. Today I want to briefly talk about what I'm working on currently. It is a course, it is a mini course of using abstract intuitive art for self-observation, self-inquiry, dealing with our inner critic, getting more creative in solving solutions in daily life. So I'm proposing to use abstract art, or that can be adjusted to any other expression as well, but that's my thing, abstract intuitive art. So I'm going into this more in details, and adjustments can be done later on, for if you want to use creative writing for that, or any other type of creative expression. But the whole thing is, the whole idea is to observe yourself during the process, and what comes up to your mind, what your inner critic tells you, what what comparisons we come up in our mind, our ego comes up with comparisons, thinking that whether or what we are creating now, whether that's going to be good enough for some person. There's often a person that we kind of want appreciation and acceptance from, and when we create, then that comes, forefront to our conscious mind as well. It's good to observe that, know that, make a note of that, and then work with it later on. But yeah, so this is basically, in a nutshell, what I'm working on. It's the course will be available on Udemy, Skillshare, sites like that, on my Patreon, which still have to be created, on my website krzysiekmłodzik.com, and I'm aiming it to be like less than an hour, so it's going to have like probably maybe 10 lessons or something around that, and they will be, a few minutes long only. So each lesson will concentrate on specific part of the process of creation and process of self-observation, because this is also, this is mindfulness practice. This is kind of like active meditation, because we are using our hands, we are using our mind, our heart, our intuition at the same time, all at the same time, when we commit to such process. Yeah, and the thoughts will come up, and that's the thing. That's when we start observing those thoughts, we're gonna get to know better what actually holds us back from creating life we want. Because this art thingy, this abstract art that I'm using, this is only a metaphor for our creative solving problems and issues, challenges in our daily life. Because often we just, when we are in front of a challenge, we think that, oh, damn it, I can do it, I can possibly find a solution to that. Because this is all mindset. There is some kind of blockage in the mind, and our inner critic tells us, no, you can actually not implement something that is original, because what other people will say, or what if you do and you fail, all those things. Yeah, so we don't want to get rid of inner critic. We want to work with it, because inner critic is helpful thing. It's safety mechanism for the psyche. So we want to just observe it, and once we get awareness of what the inner critic really wants, what inner critic wants to protect us from, then the inner critic chills out, because that's its purpose is to keep us safe in our mind, emotional well-being, and stuff like that. All right, so I'll be talking about this course, in next few weeks, because I want to take time when I create it. It will be, I'm aiming it to be available in writing, in PDF, and in printed version book on Amazon, and on video, as a video course. So there will be like when you, let's say, purchase ebook, then you get like discounts to the video course. When you purchase a video course, you will get the ebook free, and discount to paperback or stuff like that. Yeah, yeah, that's details will be sorted, but I want to make it available in variety of ways. Okay, so I hope this sounds good to you, and if you are into, into self. This is one more thing. This is not only for artists. This is the like I said, the art and abstract art creation. It's only metaphor for daily life, for finding creative solution and using imagination and letting ourselves use imagination in our daily life to solve challenges. So this is for everyone, really. This is for everyone who wants to deepen their own connection with themselves, with their inner child, with their heart, with their passion, and for doing anything that comes from their heart. Yeah. So we use art as a metaphor only. So no artistic skills are needed. It's the techniques are very simple, and all you need is willingness to to just let yourself play, because that's what I do when I create my paintings. I play with colors, play with with what comes up when I mix one color with another, one shape with another. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun, and even if you don't like painting, that's what I'm saying. You can apply different type of creative expression for it. The main goal is to get our enthusiasm back, get ourselves back into the heart, get ourselves to understand our inner critic, how our mind operates, how what holds us back when we start being more passionate about something, when we want to be more passionate about something, what are our story, what comes to mind when it comes to letting ourselves be more childlike, be more enthusiastic, be more playful. What we tell ourselves in those moments, and those things always come up during the process, because I've been there many times. I've done 150 paintings, so I've observed myself pretty well during those processes, and not often there was only play. Often there was like thinking that, oh, what that person will think about it, or is this good enough to be to be taken seriously and stuff like that. Okay, I'll be talking about this more, like I said, and wishing you a beautiful day. Speak to you soon.